Alright, y'all. What's up? Boom. Okay, so I haven't been on here for like 12 years or whatever. So I'm going to try to be more active with y'all. And I know I say that like every time I make a video, which is like every 5 years. But I'm going to really try to be more active with y'all. I'm going to try to do a couple more videos or whatever. Cool, right? So, boom. Per usual, I'm doing an Abby video, right? But I really like this Abby, y'all. Like, for real. So I was really skeptical. I'm like, should I get this Abby away? Or should I just, like, keep this Abby, right? But I'm going to give it away. I'm going to give her away. Right? So, I need some new chat rooms, first of all. My bad. I had to take a picture earlier in a white room. So, should this be a Abby video or should I just go in different rooms trolling people? Because I'm a little bald head scallywag in this chat room. Or whatever. But who cares? Anyway, so this is going to be a Abby video. I don't care. Alright, so boom. I've been wearing Ethica for like 2 days in a row now. Different Ethica outfits on IMVU. So, I think I'm going to make an Instagram, IMVU Instagram, right? Hear me out. And just post pictures of me in different Ethica and see if I can get people to make me personal Ethica clothing, right? And yeah. And boom, just be known as that girl that wear Ethica, you know? Ooh, my feet look big and ugly. But, so yeah, let's get into this. So, we just gonna start with the hair first. Right? Ooh, she called me. She might have to wait. Start with this hair first. Because y'all always ask me, what's the hair, what's the skin, what eyebrows you got on. We gonna cover all of that. So, please, listen. Please, do not comment. Don't message me. Don't comment on my actual IMVU page asking what the head is. Because I said what the head is. And I said what I said. Period. So, boom. Love making. Leg shaking. We with him. Okay, so I think I did this hair like 15 times. Probably not on the video. But I use this head a lot. It's called Brett's Head by Tributes, right? Should I click? I'm gonna click on it actually, for realsy for y'all. I'm gonna click on it right quick so y'all can see how it look in realization. You know? Hold on, let me click out of this and click out of that. And I said click out of it. Ooh, my stuff love to egg numb. Okay, so this is Tributes. This is how you spell the name. And the thing is called Brett's Head. Period. Right? I think that's Brett's Head. Okay, cool. If it's not, then I'm going to just say it again. Yeah, Brett's Head. Cool. And y'all know I had that slimmer on. Y'all can go back to other videos to see it because I'm not going to keep clicking on it on every video. We're going to move to skins. I like this skin because it automatically comes with this little eyeliner thing. This little white eyeliner thing. I like that. So, it automatically comes with that. And whatever. And I just like it. Am I still in here? Like it done? Alright, so, yeah. And, okay, so people have been messaging me on my, like, IMVU page or whatever, asking me to get them Abbies. Do I sell Abbies? Do I give away Abbies? I give away Abbies. I don't know how to sell Abbies. I don't know how that works, but I give away Abbies. If you ask me, what's this Abby in this picture, if I got time, I'm going to go and look for that, right? And give it to you. Either I'm going to gift it to you or just tell you the products that's in there. It's depending on how I'm feeling. And if I just woke up or if I'm going to sleep or if, you know, just stuff, right? Yo, I think I'm going to do a trolling video with my friend that just called me. Oop, I won't pass me. That just called me because it seems to be acting right. So this skin is so cute. Ah! Okay, so it's called Intergalactual Love 006 by TCB. I'm gonna click on this too, y'all. Cause what the hell? Summer's over, coming down. You shake that ass after coming round, and I only get it when it's coming down. Oh, nobody but you. Body bud, yeah. So GFS, Intergalactical Love 006. And this skin is kind of cheap and weak. I think I can buy that right now. I think I literally only have 554 credits. Oh no, I have 64. So that's the head, that's the skin, right? Let's move it to the little accessories I got on. We're gonna start off with the eyelashes. No, we're gonna start off with the eyebrows, because when I look up eye, this just pop up. And accessories. So what I do to put the eyebrows on without glitching is I got no eyebrows on. I put on no eyebrows first, and then I put on my eyebrows. And you see how hard I'm lagging? Like, oh. And these the eyebrows I got on. It is called Eyebrows by BEXXAS. I ain't gotta click on that because it's literally called Eyebrows by BEXXAS, right? The lashes. Love is everything you do by beneath. Creds with me. I think these the bottom lashes. These the bottom lashes I got on. They call Lashes by Kathy. CATHE. But hold on, let me just take this. Hold on. No, I'm right. Am I right? Hold on. I don't got bottom lashes on. What the fuck? Hold on. Look up lash. Because they got me fucked up a little bit. Into your heart that I know where I started, far from where I begun. Oh, okay. Here go the lashes I got on. They call Lauren Lash 4 by Chloe, KLOE. Boom. That's the whole head. That's the whole Abby, basically. If you want to see the scalers I got on, my thick bitch scaler, I think it's either my first or my second video. Just watch both of them. Don't matter. This is my thick bitch scaler, but not too thick of a bitch. That's like you glitching, but you glitching a little bit, and you know you popping like that, right? That's just this Abby, right? So boom, that's the end of this video. I feel like I made a record time. It's 8 minutes so far where I'm at right now. And yeah, so don't forget to add me at Don't forget to add me. Hold on, let's see if it pop up. Period. Oh, it's really lagging, y'all. Okay, don't forget to add me right here at Yo Big Homie Pool. I'm gonna put it in the description and things like that. And I'm about to make another video with my freaking friend, and boom, we're gonna see how that goes. So like, comment, subscribe, and comment some videos